In front of me is Motorola G75, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by clicking on Photos and tapping on Photos or Collections at the bottom. Then hold one of your pictures you wish to get rid of and click on those type of dots at the top right corners. Now tap on all of your pictures you wish to keep, and to delete the rest, use the Delete button at the bottom of Photos section or at the top of Collections one. Over here. Either way, when you click, tap on Got It and tap on Move to Trash after that. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!